I'm the Rifter, and this is another PC tutorial for Windows 10. In the first video I talked about just basic terminology for computers. This I'm going to explain the file system because as we progress you're just going to get lost if I don't tell you about the basics and the file system. This shouldn't take long to explain, and I'm going to try not to make this a 10-minute video, so we'll just get started. First, you need to be able to find the File Explorer, which we touched on that briefly in the first video. This is the File Explorer down here, and again, if you hover over it, it's going to show you the tool text tip File Explorer. You can click on that to open this. If for some reason your computer or your Windows version does not have this File Explorer down here, don't panic. Over here on your Start button, if you right click it, not left click but right click it, you're always going to have File Explorer right there. So once we get File Explorer open, just maximize it. You can press the maximize button, you can drag this to the top and it will maximize it, or you can double click it and it'll maximize. So once you get this maximized, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you the downloads folder, which here's your downloads folder right here. This is everything you've downloaded from the internet. Over here on the left, you've also got your documents folder. That's where you would save documents, taxes, PDF files, which you probably don't know what that is, but that's fine. Pictures, this is where you would save your pictures. It just makes them easier to get to. And you have these little pins here. If you put that little pin, where is it? Pin to start. You have downloads pinned to start now. I don't like it like that, so I'm going to unpin that from the start. But those are your basic 3 things you need to be concerned with. Now, explaining the file system for Windows, it's very simple. And don't worry, you can't mess anything up. If you click delete or press delete, it's always going to ask you if you haven't changed that setting if you want to delete it, so don't worry. So if you click this PC, you're going to get all this crazy stuff here. What you're going to do on your computer, you're going to see local disk C : that is your hard drive. If you double click that, you'll see it highlights local disk over here, and what you can do is think of this as a giant filing cabinet. If you click these little arrows, it's going to expand this filing cabinet, and all these right here are folders. Inside of these folders can be more folders. So basically that's the way you have to think of it. And once you click these arrows, it's going to move this over so you can order it a little better, and you can keep track of things. If I click on daily files, this is going to show you a whole bunch of files, and up here at the top are folders. Usually that's the way it's going to display. All you need to be concerned about is this is your filing cabinet, these are your folders, and once you click on those you can see more folders and more files. Anyway, I think that's probably enough for the day. Again, I said this was going to be short, so if you have any questions, just leave me comments down below. Click somewhere on the screen. I'm sure there'll be another video. Like, share, and subscribe. Again, these first videos are going to be real simple, and we're progressively going to get more in depth. Thank you for watching.